Hello everyone. Playing sports always feels nice, and doing charity through sports should feel much nicer. And KPL believes in doing charity through sports. It's anyone's privilege to be a sponsor of KPL, and we at Camelot are really honored for sponsoring KPL for the fifth year in a row. This is Ravi Vare, CEO, Camelot Integrated Solutions, and all the best, KPL.
KPL means sports. KPL means fun. KPL means helping community. KPL means charity through sports. I'm Sridhar Patibandla, the CEO of Castec, and I'm the sponsor of KPL event for the last 3 years. And I'm happy to be the sponsor of KPL. Go KPL!
Go KPL! Go KPL! Go KPL!
Hello, this is Team Flexera. We wish KPL all the best. KPL believes in charity through sports. Congrats for a fifth year in a row. All the best, KPL.
KPL means sports.
KPL means fun.
KPL means charity through sports. We are Team Reddy and Newman PC, your immigration attorneys, wishing you the best of luck, KPL.
Hi guys, this is Sudhir here. I'm here to convey my wishes to KPL Houston. Hello sports lovers, it's KPL time again, and KPL believes in charity through sports. KPL, KD Premier League, is conducting sports league for the last 4 years, and they're into their 5th anniversary. Whatever amount raised in this event goes back to the community, and this event is scheduled to happen on August 26th and 27th. For men, it's going to be volleyball, and for women, it's going to be throwball. Congratulate IT Surveillance Group of companies for being one of the main sponsor. Whatever amount raised through this event goes to Gullupalli Uday Garu's family. He passed away 3 months back, and he was a local priest. So request everyone to participate in this event and make this a grand success.
Sports means fun. Sports also means health. However, through KPL, sports means charity. Best of luck.
Hello, this is Badruddin Peter, CEO at Fabric Car. While I work hard daily, I also support sports for a cause. Go KPL.
Good luck KPL. Nice to know that KPL is doing charity through sports. All the best KPL. Good luck.
KPL means sports. KPL means health.
KPL means charity.
All the best KPL. Good luck.
Hi everyone. Team AIS wants to wish you all the best for KPL players, and we are very proud to be one of the sponsors of KPL and charity through sports. Nothing can beat that. And congratulations on your 5th year. All the best. All the best.
లోని వెలుగు చూడరా, పైని మెరుగు కాదు, దారి మలుపు తిప్పరా, గెలుపు నీది నేడు, సవాలు గుర్రముందిరా, సవారి చేసి చూడరా, ఈ రాస నీకు చేరువాసయాల చెక్కు పోస్టు నీకు రూటు సాన పట్టు పట్టకుంటే వజ్రమైన అదుట్టి రాయిరా. KPL అంటే స్పోర్ట్స్. అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నేను అంజనా సౌమ్య. KPL 5th anniversary సెలబ్రేషన్స్లో పార్టిసిపేట్ చేస్తున్న అందరికీ ఆల్ ద వెరీ బెస్ట్. అండ్ KPL అంటే ఫన్, KPL అంటే కిడ్స్ యాక్టివిటీస్ కూడా. సో KPL ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్.
Hello everyone. When I heard about KPL and its charity through sports concept, I loved it and immediately wanted to be a part of it. This is Madhu Maredu, CEO of Khans Technologies. I feel so honored to sponsor KPL and be a part of giving back community. All the best KPL.
KPL, KD Premier League. It's nice to know that KPL does charity through sports. Hi, my name is Floyd Turner. I'm an ex-wide receiver for the New Orleans Saints. And all the best to KPL.
Narendra Mandal Reddy, CEO Sapsit and sponsor of KPL from last 2 years.
KPL provides me an opportunity to help people.
As a player, KPL gives me a chance to compete and win.
As a community, KPL help us to support through sport.
We love to be a part of KPL.
All the best KPL.
సాహసం
శ్వాసగా సాగిపో సోదరా. హలో, నేను మీ మల్లికార్జున్. కేపీఎల్ నిర్వహిస్తున్న 5th యానివర్సరీ వాలీబాల్ టోర్నమెంట్కి అందరికీ స్వాగతం. అలాగే పార్టిసిపేట్ చేసే అందరికీ కూడా నా బెస్ట్ విషెస్. ఆల్ ది బెస్ట్ కేపీఎల్.
We are happy to say this. Akshara School is one of the sponsors for KPL 2016. Wish you all the best KPL 2016.
Hi, I'm Sumit Ariguri, CEO of TVS, American Tech Vision Solutions. We congratulate KPL on their 5th anniversary. KPL supports charity through sports, and we are really proud to be a sponsor of KPL this year. Go KPL!
KPL means charity through sports. KPL means fun. KPL helps people in need.
Peppan is honored to be a digital partner for KPL.
We all wish KPL happy 5th anniversary.
All the best, KPL!